In this video, I'm going to teach you the best Spotify settings for audio quality. So in order to do that, let's ask Reddit on the best settings for audio quality on Spotify. So if you have an iPhone or a phone device and you want to get the best quality, the actual answer to that is the highest quality setting for streaming or downloads and off with any EQ or stuff that makes the volume of all songs the same. So on right here, if all songs with the volume same is bad, this is actually what normalization does. It's a common misconception. It does not affect the dynamic range and therefore the quality of songs at all. It will turn quiet songs up and nothing else. So those are just normalization. So in here, what you can do is you can actually just try to listen onto the actual desktop version because it has the highest streaming quality if that's an option. And you would be surprised how better the audio quality is on the desktop rather than just streaming on your phone. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.